Have you ever settled into your warm tub bath and then realized, uh-oh, the water's leaking down the drain? So this plug here is the one I really love using. It's silicone and it also has metal in it. And look at the design of it. It's so easy to use. It fits into most tub spots. You just put it there. You don't have to do anything. Just place it and it stops the leak. And it's, of course, very quiet. It's very sleek and modern. Metal and silicone. It's clean and modern. It's a leak-free seal. It doesn't float up. It doesn't wiggle loose. It doesn't let any sneaky leaks ruin your bath. It's one of those little upgrades you didn't know you needed until you tried it. So it's good for a guest bath. It's good for RV sinks. And the customer support is excellent. They're willing to get back to you within 24 hours if you ever had a question, so you're covered. So I really recommend this wonderful drain plug. You'll be so glad you got it. And it fits other plugs or drains as well. So go ahead and get yourself a few.